Have you ever wondered how a simple cup of tea could transform your health? Well, get ready to discover the power of Moringa, often called the miracle tree. For centuries, Moringa has been revered for its incredible health benefits. From its nutrient-rich leaves to its potent antioxidants, Moringa has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for generations. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Moringa tea. We'll explore its incredible health benefits and how it can help you unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Moringa is packed with vitamins, minerals, and essential amino acids that support overall wellness. Drinking Moringa tea can boost your immune system, improve digestion, and even enhance your skin health. Please subscribe to our channel for more health tips. One of the most impressive things about Moringa is its exceptional nutritional profile. We're talking high levels of vitamins A, C, and E, plus essential minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining bone health, boosting immunity, and supporting overall well-being. Think of Moringa as a natural multivitamin packed into every cup. Moringa is also rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. This makes it an excellent addition to vegetarian and vegan diets. So, whether you're looking to boost your nutrient intake or simply enjoy a delicious cup of tea, Moringa has got you covered. Moringa is loaded with antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. Now, these antioxidants act like little warriors in your body, fighting off harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and contribute to aging and disease. By neutralizing these troublemakers, Moringa helps protect your cells, promotes healthy aging, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. But that's not all. Moringa also supports your immune system by boosting the production of white blood cells. These cells are crucial for defending your body against infections and illnesses. So, by incorporating Moringa tea into your daily routine, you're not just enjoying a delicious beverage, but also fortifying your body's natural defense system. A strong immune system is your best defense against illness, and Moringa can give your body the support it needs. Remember the high levels of vitamin C we talked about? Vitamin C is essential for a healthy immune system. It helps your body produce more white blood cells, which are the frontline soldiers in the fight against infections. Moringa is also packed with antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in your body. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce inflammation, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune response. Drinking Moringa tea regularly can be a simple way to boost your immunity. Combine it with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. Stay healthy and let Moringa be your ally in the fight against illness. If you struggle with digestive issues, Moringa could be your new best friend. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the digestive system. It can also help regulate bowel movements, reduce bloating, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is linked to better digestion, increased nutrient absorption, and even improved mood. Drinking Moringa tea regularly can help maintain a balanced digestive system. The high fiber content in Moringa aids in smooth digestion and prevents constipation. With better digestion, you can enjoy your meals without discomfort. Plus, a healthy gut can lead to clearer skin and a glowing complexion. So, sip on Moringa tea and unlock the benefits of a healthier digestive system and an energized lifestyle. Feeling sluggish? Forget those sugary energy drinks. Moringa provides a natural energy boost without the jitters or crashes. Its unique combination of nutrients, including iron, helps combat fatigue and improve physical performance. Moringa is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support overall vitality. The iron in Moringa helps in the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your muscles and organs, enhancing your stamina and endurance. Regular consumption of Moringa can also improve mental clarity and focus, making it an excellent choice for both physical and mental energy. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or just looking to feel more vibrant, Moringa can be your go-to solution. So, why rely on artificial stimulants when you can harness the natural power of Moringa? Incorporate Moringa into your daily routine and experience a sustained energy boost that keeps you going all day long. Heart disease is a serious concern, but incorporating Moringa into your routine can be a powerful preventative measure. Remember those antioxidants we talked about earlier? They play a crucial role in heart health too. Moringa can help lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL cholesterol, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL cholesterol. This balance is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of moringa, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can significantly improve your cardiovascular health. It also helps in reducing inflammation, which is another key factor in heart disease. So, make moringa tea a part of your daily routine and give your heart the love it deserves. From boosting your immunity to supporting heart health and giving you a natural energy lift, the benefits of incorporating moringa tea into your daily routine are truly remarkable. Why not give it a try? You can find moringa tea at most health food stores or online. Start with a cup a day and experience the transformative power of this ancient superfood. Start your journey to a healthier you with moringa tea today. Moringa is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. Whether you prefer it as a tea, in smoothies, or as a supplement, moringa can fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce pain and improve joint health. Embrace the magic of moringa and unlock your healthiest self today. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or health regimen.